In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com free plan. Let's start from the very beginning on the Monday.com homepage. Once you've created your account and logged in, this is your main dashboard, the central place where you'll access everything in your workspace. Take a moment to look around so you're familiar with the layout, because we'll be using the built-in navigation to move between different areas. From here, go ahead and click on My Work. This section gives you a personal view of what's on your plate across different boards and projects. It's really handy on the free plan because it pulls tasks together without you needing any advanced features. Inside My Work, look for the option called AI Note Taker and click on it. This is designed to help you keep track of meeting notes and action items directly inside Monday.com, which is especially useful if you're managing projects with a small team and want everything in one place. Next, click on Recents. This area shows you the boards you've opened or worked on most recently in your workspace. It's a quick shortcut, so you don't have to dig around trying to find the last project you were editing. If you're switching between a few boards regularly, Recents will save you a lot of time. You may see Recents more than once in the interface, for example in different panels or menus. When you click it again, you're basically confirming that same view of your recently used boards, so don't worry if it feels a bit repetitive as you get used to where everything lives. Now look for the More option and click it. This expands the sidebar or top menu to reveal additional areas of your workspace that aren't visible by default. On the free plan, this is where you'll surface a lot of your navigation options without needing extra add-ons. If you see More again, click it once more to fully expand those additional menu items. Among those options, click on Favorites. Favorites is where you'll find the projects and boards you've starred, so they're always just one click away. A good habit is to favorite any board you use daily, so as your account grows, you're not overwhelmed by a long list of boards. You'll also see different highlighted areas throughout the interface. When you click on these highlighted sections, you'll be opening things like your main workspace, the Browse All view of boards and projects, or a specific project board. Use Browse All when you want to see everything that exists in your account, then select a project to dive into the details. Finally, you may notice highlights that lead to your inbox, the app marketplace, and other controls on a project board. On the free plan, these highlights help guide you to key places, your notifications in the inbox, optional apps in the marketplace, and important board options such as views, filters, and automation entries that are available to you. Follow these clicks in order, and you'll quickly get comfortable navigating Monday.com's free plan, moving from your homepage to My Work, to your recent and favorite projects, and into specific boards where the real work happens.